Afternoon. There we go. Videoing. It's 4 o'clock on Monday afternoon. I've run out of stuff to do while the oven's warming up. The oven's over there somewhere. The other one's warming up some bike bits, powder. So while I'm on, I'm going to see if I can get Dad to blast the bottom arms that I've got spare for the Transit. Pay attention to the camera. And I'm going to show you why I'm going to do it. Here we are. I got the bottom arm off that Transit I bust. It's gone. It's gone. Woohoo! You can see the bushes on these. They sit wonky. They didn't sit flat. So when you're running as low as I am, and if not lower, when you're sitting with the arms down, as you can see that's flat, so it's trying to pull the bush out. I don't know how well you can hear us because the compressor's running, but I'm shouting. But yeah, so the bush is up like that. So when the arm's flat, when you're low, you can see it's trying to pull the bush out. So what you do is, this is something I learned off Rick Pearson and Pete Bubsby. I think I said your name right there, Pete. Correct us if I'm wrong. What you do is you get the bush, you cut it off, cut around the weld, and lay it on flat. There we go, lay it on flat. So that's flat, everything's flat, it moves with the planes of the van, and it'll be hunky-dory when it's done. I've got the bushes out of one of them. So let's see, the rear bush, the out of the rear bush, and the front bush. I'll do a quick time lapse of knocking them ones out, just because it's interesting, I suppose. There again, it's in the press. Just push the centre of the bush out. Like that. It's a big old piece of steel thingy. Hopefully it should knock itself out. I might have to stop in a second because I need 2 hands. Hopefully you can see. You get the idea. So there's the old bush into that. I have to press it out because I managed to wedge it in. This is the old bit. I'm going to run my saw. When I nick doing the thingy, the outer bush, steel, and then I'm going to windy chisel it out. If all goes to plan, it should come up quite easily. But again, I need 2 hands. There we go. That's the bush under there. Can't really see because it's the light, but you get the idea. I've got a piece of threaded bar, a 27mm socket, the big socket, one of the wheel nut sockets off the wagon, or one of the wagons, and there like that. There. Not. There. Should be able to move this now because I'm not going to have much vibration. So, say that. Poundland Special is not doing it very well. Stay. I need to modify this. Exactly. Knocking over the phone man. Special. Here it comes.